Hi, I'm Anna Flory, founder of Life Vibrant Healing Arts. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of staying hydrated and some easy ways for you to keep your body hydrated. We've all heard for many years the importance of drinking 8 glasses of water every day. That's about 64 ounces or 2 quarts. So why is it important to drink that amount of water? As a general guideline, that really works, but let's look at some specifics. The importance of staying hydrated happens at a cellular level. Every cell in our body needs water to function properly. That means every organ in our body needs water. Every tissue, every muscle, every bone, everything needs water to function properly. If you look at this slide of red blood cells, you can see dehydrated red blood cells and you can see hydrated red blood cells. Now, which red blood cells do you think are going to transport oxygen to your tissues more effectively? And if you look at this next slide, there's a hydrated brain and a dehydrated brain. Our brains are 85% water. And if even a slight dehydration of about 1%, you can get a headache, slower cognitive processing, reduced short-term memory, and a lower ability to focus and concentrate. All of our other organs in our body have the same kinds of effects when we're dehydrated. They just don't function properly. So it's as simple as staying hydrated, and we get a much better functionality from our body. So what are some of the profound effects of having a fully hydrated body? Well, number one, our brain works better, works like it should. Our bodies are high performance, efficient machines. And when they're hydrated, they act like that. The organs work better. The elimination systems work better. Our brains work better. Everything just works better. So how do we stay hydrated? Well, that might seem obvious. Number one, the obvious answer is to drink water. But it's not quite as simple as that, because the way we drink water is also important. Keep this in mind. Sipping is hydrating. Gulping is flushing. I know many people who drink a lot of water every day and they just gulp it down. So the benefit of that is that they're flushing out their system. They're flushing the toxins and the waste out of their system. But their cells aren't really benefiting from the hydrating effects of water. The way to get the hydrating effects is to sip it. Number two, keep track of the dehydrating drinks that you drink every day. For instance, coffee, alcohol, soda, and energy drinks. They're all dehydrating, meaning that they actively pull water out of the cells and take it out of the body. So for every cup of coffee that you have, remember to drink 8 to 12 ounces of water to replace the water that the coffee has taken out of your body. Number three, eat hydrating foods. For instance, celery, cucumbers, lettuces, and other green leaves. Most fruits are very hydrating, so load up on the fruits. Fresh vegetable and fruit juices are also very hydrating, and they're also nutritionalizing for the cells. Drink beverages, drink your water, drink your hydrating teas and things like that between meals. Don't drink much at meals, because when you drink at meals, it tends to dilute the hydrochloric acid in your stomach, and it reduces the impact of that hydrochloric acid on the digestive process. So you might have some digestive difficulties. We want that hydrochloric acid to stay concentrated and able to do its job in the digestive process. So drink a little bit at meals, but don't drink a lot at meals. Have most of your hydrating beverages between meals. So how do we know if we're properly hydrated? A couple of good indicators are, one, how often do you go to the bathroom? You should be going about every hour and a half. And if you're saying, wow, that's a lot of going to the bathroom, then you're probably dehydrated. The other way is look at your urine. If it's a light color and has little to no odor, you're probably fairly well hydrated. If it's more concentrated and a darker yellow and might have an odor, you're dehydrated. Start drinking some water. So let's get in the habit of staying hydrated and watch how well our bodies work for us when they're hydrated. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Sign up for my newsletter and you'll get occasional updates when I create videos like this to help you live a healthy, vibrant life.